Hello, my name's Warren Pleece and I'm a comic book artist. I've worked for DC Comics and Dark Horse Comics over the years. I've been working professionally for more or less about 20 years, and today for Buzz readers and viewers I'm going to show you how I go about creating a page of artwork from start to finish. Usually we start with a script that we're given by a writer, or maybe if you're going to do it yourself. And if you're doing it yourself, sometimes it's good just to kind of sketch these things out with the words and the ideas and think about how the panels are going to look on the page, trying to think about how you're going to move the action from one place to another. With this story, I've got a kind of monster threatening this school. He's trying to kind of destroy this boy's school, and the sequence shows the kind of the start where they actually realise there's this kind of enormous monster coming to smash the houses and the schools, and I'm just kind of incorporating the start of their first reaction, the first sight of the monster, the close-up of the monster, and focusing on them as kind of tiny little figures, and their kind of subsequent kind of escape from the monster as it destroys their school. So what we usually do is like kind of, I usually draw up a page in A3, and for this one I've got various different angles to kind of heighten the kind of suspense. So in this final one, for example, we've got this kind of the monster finally jumping on top of the school and destroying it. And I can imagine that for a lot of kids that could be something that they probably like. So anyway, we kind of sketch this out, trying out different angles and getting the kind of like the composition right. Once we've got that done, we can start kind of inking it with pens and brushes and stuff like that. And what I usually do is like use a light box. So I'd use this kind of like rough laid out page, and then I put it onto the light box with a new piece of card over at the top, and then I would use one of these pens, one of these markers, one of these particular pens that are really good because they're kind of like brushes, and you can get a nice fine line and a nice kind of expressive line.